Look around your life right now. Every relationship, opportunity, challenge, everything you're experiencing, it's not random. It's not luck. It's a reflection of where your attention has been. Attention is energy, and energy is creative. Think of your attention like sunlight. Whatever you shine it on grows. Shine it on fear, and fear expands. Shine it on gratitude, and your blessings multiply. But here's the part most people never realize. What you ignore loses power. If you stop feeding energy to something, it eventually dissolves from your experience, like a spotlight going dark on a stage performer. Most people give their attention away without even thinking, scrolling through negativity, replaying old mistakes, worrying about what might go wrong. All of it is a silent yes to the universe. Yes, I want more of this. But you get to decide where your light shines and where it doesn't. So ask yourself, what am I unconsciously feeding every day? What would happen if I stopped? Here's the key shift. You're not meant to react to everything. You're meant to selectively engage, to curate your focus like an artist choosing colors on a canvas. Even thoughts are just auditions. Not every thought deserves your energy. You can look at a thought and simply say, "No thanks, that one's not for me." And when you do that enough, the noise fades. The negative thoughts lose their grip. And suddenly, you're creating your reality from a place of power, not survival. This is how you begin speaking to the universe. Not with words, but with focused, intentional attention. Many people speak to the universe with words like, "I want to succeed," "I will be happy someday," "I hope to find love." But there's a problem here. The universe doesn't recognize the future tense. The only thing it understands is the present, the now. Every time you say it will happen, the universe translates, "It's not here yet, I don't have it." And what does it mirror back to you? Exactly that. Lack. Why? Because your vibrational frequency isn't based on the words. It's based on how you feel in the moment you say them. If you wish for something, you are automatically declaring that it's missing. This is the energetic paradox. The more you chase, the more you push it away, because you're chasing from the energy of lack, and the universe simply says yes to that exact frequency. So, what do? Instead of saying, "I will be rich," say, "I already feel abundance within me." Instead of, "I will find love," say, "I already live with an open heart, full of love." Instead of envisioning someday, bring that day into now. And it doesn't matter if it's not yet true externally. The universe doesn't work that way. If you feel something deeply enough, strongly enough, and often enough, then that becomes your truth, because the universe will synchronize with your vibration. That's what it means to speak to the now, not to pretend, not to fake it, but to consciously choose the frequency you want to live in. And this is how you do this practically. Up every morning and feel what you desire as if you already have it. Feel the joy, the safety, the gratitude. Speak to yourself in the present tense, not "I will be healthy," but "I am healthy and strong now." Act like your future self today. How would someone behave who already has what you want? Because your future self is not in the future. They already live within you. They're just waiting for you to call them into the spotlight. The universe is like a mirror with no delay. It doesn't wait for something to happen to give it to you. It waits for you to feel as though you already have it. And once you do, the external conditions will begin to adjust to match it. It's not magic. It's a natural law. The law of vibration, the law of attraction, and it all begins with how you speak to the now. Life is not a straight line. It's like a strategy game, and you're playing without the full manual. But here's the cheat code: awareness. The more you observe your thoughts, your reactions, your patterns, the more choices you gain. Consciousness is like light. The more you expand it, the less you are manipulated by circumstances. Instead of things just happening to you, you begin to shape them. You stop reacting and you start creating. Forget words for a moment. The universe doesn't speak English, it speaks energy. Thoughts can lie, the ego can trick you, but your body, your intuition, your emotions, they always tell the truth. If something makes you feel light, it's aligned with your true path. If it weighs you down, it's a signal. Something isn't right for you. This is your personal guidance system. Follow what makes you feel lighter. Release what brings heaviness. The ego may try to tempt you with promises of pleasure, but the difference is clear when you listen closely. Truth is always felt. The conscious mind forgets, but the subconscious, it remembers everything, and that's where the law of attraction mostly operates. The subconscious doesn't judge. It doesn't separate true from false. It simply accepts and creates based on what you feed it. If for years you told yourself, "I'm not enough," your subconscious believed it, and the universe mirrored it back to you. But you can change it. Through conscious repetition, say it until you believe it. I am full of confidence. I already am what I wish to be. Feel it, live it, believe it. The more you repeat it with emotion, the more the universe says, "Ah, this is your new program. Let's bring it into physical form." You're not just speaking to the universe, you are the universe, expressed through a body, a personality, a consciousness. You observe, you create, you paint the canvas of your life. Want to change your reality? Change your frequency. Speak with intention, feel with clarity, focus on what you truly desire, because the universe is always listening, and now you know exactly how to speak to it. If this message spoke to you, let it be the first signal you send out. Like this video, share it with someone who needs to hear it, and tell me in the comments, what's the one intention you're ready to plant into the universe right now? Because remember, the moment you declare it, the universe begins to respond. Thank you so much for watching this. Have a good day.